Hey, let me show you how you can clean your Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner G20 Max. First of all, you have to make sure that you turn it off. It's quite obvious, but I want to mention. And right now, you have to remember to empty dustbin. In this place, we can find the button that will allow us to remove this second part. So we have to simply click and hold it and move into the right side. And then while holding, we have to move this left part just like this. Now as you can see, we got access into the first filter. So to take it off, we have to actually grab this white part and pull it towards us. Do this slowly if you have a lot of mess here. And now let's go to the cleaning process. So to clean this filter, we need to use water. First, we put the filter under water. We can add a mild detergent or soap. For example, the kind you use for daily hand washing. Then we have to actually wash off the dirt from one side and the other side. After that, we will need to rinse it. Make sure to rinse the filter carefully so there is no soap left at all. And if you are not satisfied with how the filter looks, you can repeat the washing process. Then we need to drain the filter because if we don't, it will take a very long time to dry. Once you have done that, I recommend placing it on an open area so there's a free airflow, and you need to wait about 24 hours for the filter to completely dry. And right now we are going for this orange filter. We have to grab this part, lift, and now we will have to twist this. As you can see on the right side, we've got the lock mode. So we are able to twist this into the left side to unlock it, and then we will have to pull it toward us. And as you can see, we can find here a lot of dust, some hairs. We have to take off every mess. And right now you will have to put it under the water. This is the plastic part, so we can easily use hot water to clean everything. You can input there soap or mild detergent. After you finish with cleaning this part, you will have to also let it dry for around 24 hours, but I will actually recommend you to check if there is no any water inside this silver part. So when you start shaking it like that, you can hear that the water is inside. That's how it actually looks in my case. So what I recommend you to dry it a little bit faster, just go with the paper towel and roll it over this part and input the paper towel inside. And now just start shaking it for around 30 seconds. And just repeat this process for like 2 or 3 times in the next 24 hours. So you will be sure that there is no any water inside. As you can see right now, it looks definitely much better after this cleaning process. As you can see inside, we can find metal screws 1, 2, and 3. So we have to be sure that there's no any water inside. You can even put here some paper towel inside this one to dry water out. Okay, and as you can see right now, we got the last filter. This is the HEPA filter. So to remove it, you will have to twist this filter into the left side. On the right side, you can find this marking with lock. So we have to basically unlock it. Now we have to take it off. And if you are wondering how we can actually clean this one, so yes, this one we can actually put under the water, but there's information in the user manual that we shouldn't use any detergent or soap, so only water, and we have to also let it dry for around 24 hours. In my case, it was like 12 hours ago, and it feels like it's not wet anymore, but I will just recommend you to wait another 12 just to be 100% sure. And this is the last part. So after cleaning both filters, we are also able to clean dust container. There's no any electric part inside, so we can easily put it under the water and take a look. As you can see over here, I just put a hot water with soap, and now you can just move it like in my case to clean it, or you can use dish sponge to clean it even better. So now, as I said before, we have to wait to dry out everything around 24 hours, but make sure that you check this one especially before you put it into your vacuum cleaner. So right now, if you want to put everything back, first of all, we have to start with this electric part of our vacuum cleaner, put it upside down and start with applying this HEPA filter, just like this. And now grab this part. When it jumps inside, we have to also lock this. So hold it with your hand and now twist into the left side, just like this. Now as you can see, we are unable to take it out. So now we are bringing the dust container and the orange filter. First of all, you have to grab this leveler, open it, and put this one inside. Just like this. You have to put it back. Don't put it back like that. We have to twist this. As you can see on the right side, we got lock. So we have to just simply move it. So we have to twist this lock a little bit. Now as you can see, I'm unable to take it off, and we can put it back. Next, we have this regular filter that we have to put on this one. Just make sure that it is actually inside. And the last part, we have to hold this button and input this part. But of course, we have to do this like that, in this position. So take a look. So first of all, you are putting this part on this second one. There we go. It's almost already aligned, but we have the space over here. So now we have to go at the top. We have to hold this button. And now we have to move this part to the right side and then click this button to put it on the left side. And now as you can see, there is no any more space in this place, which means that we successfully put everything back and we can start using our device. Okay, so that's basically everything for this video. If you have any questions, so you can leave them in the comments. I will try to answer as fast as possible. And in my case, everything is fine. I already used that vacuum cleaner. There's no any damage over here after this cleaning. But as I said before, and I'm going to repeat this over and over, we have to make sure that we dry every part properly. You know, there's the electric device, and if you just leave some wet parts on the side, that's a risky thing. So do not do that. Just wait even more than 24 hours. Just check it properly. Use paper towel, put it on the filters to make sure that there is no any water in the parts. And yeah, that's basically everything. I'm gonna also record a video about using this device, if I'm satisfied with this one, how for example you can clean a car and what kind of the brush you can use it. And by the way, if you are looking for some videos about how to clean brushes, like the long brush, big brush, or the small one, you can also find this kind of the videos on my channel. And if you are looking for some short, straightforward answers to some questions about this device, then you can also find a playlist on my channel. So yeah, that's basically everything. Short information for you. I hope you find this video useful. See you in my next videos for this Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner G20 Max.